Looking for the ultimate way to secure your home without the hassle of keys? Meet the Ultra Lock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock, a futuristic 6-in-1 smart locking system that keeps your home protected while giving you full control, anytime, anywhere. Whether you prefer fingerprint access, a mobile app, keypad code, or even auto unlock, this smart lock has it all. Plus, with built-in Wi-Fi, you can lock or unlock your door remotely. No hub needed. And it doesn't stop there. The integrated door sensor alerts you if your door is left open or hasn't latched properly. With IP65 weatherproofing, it's ready to face rain, dust, and even extreme heat. Your home's security just got a high-tech upgrade with Ultra Lock, where convenience meets safety. Automatic foaming soap dispenser. Want to upgrade your hygiene game with zero contact? This automatic foaming soap dispenser is the modern solution for germ-free hand washing. No buttons, no touching. Just wave your hand and get a soft, luxurious foam in seconds. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices anywhere. Hygiene matters. With its smart sensor technology, it detects your hand instantly and releases just the right amount of foam, saving both soap and water. The dispenser is USB rechargeable, waterproof, and super easy to refill, making it the cleanest choice for the cleaner you. Make every wash smarter, faster, and safer with a touch-free foaming soap experience. Cross-legged office meditation chair with wheels. Sick of back pain from your regular office chair? Then you need to try this cross-legged meditation office chair designed for comfort, posture, and focus. This unique chair allows you to sit cross-legged or in a kneeling yoga position, helping you stay relaxed and centered even during long work hours. It features adjustable height, built-in lumbar support, and a spacious cushioned seat, all mounted on smooth 360-degree wheels for easy movement. Whether you're working, studying, or meditating, this chair supports both your body and mind, turning your workspace into a peaceful productivity zone. It's not just a chair, it's a lifestyle shift for focus, posture, and well-being. As follow. Under cabinet motion sensor lights. Need better lighting in dark spaces like your kitchen or closet? Check out the EasyFollow 6-pack motion sensor cabinet. Light's the easiest way to brighten up your home. No wires, no fuss. These lights are USB rechargeable, wireless, and activate automatically with motion. Open a drawer or walk by, and the lights turn on instantly. You can install them under cabinets, inside wardrobes, or even along staircases for safety and style. With remote control and dimmable brightness, these lights give you full control at your fingertips. Smart, sleek, and super practical, these motion sensor puck lights are the glow-up your home deserves. Tool Daily Pressure Washer Foam Cannon Kit with curved extension wands. Want to wash your car like a pro right at home? The Tool Daily Pressure Washer Foam Cannon Kit transforms your car washing game with high-pressure foam cleaning that's powerful, efficient, and satisfying. This kit includes a heavy-duty foam cannon, 3 curved extension wands, and a quick-connect nozzle that supports up to 3,600 psi, perfect for reaching under vehicles or over rooftops. It creates thick foam that clings to dirt and grime, softening it before you rinse, making cleaning faster and more effective. Whether it's your car, bike, patio, or driveway, this foam cannon tackles it all. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to spotless shine with the perfect tool for pressure cleaning. Perfection. All 5 of these smart gadgets are designed to solve real-life problems, from security and hygiene to comfort and cleaning. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gadget discoveries every week.